Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Tine Row Holder. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Tine Row Holder. The Tine Row Holder holds the adjustable tine rows on the lower rack. The main to be changing it out if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to put a towel up on the counter to protect it from any scratches when we set the rack up there. Once you have the towel down, we can reach in and pull the lower rack out. Once you have it out, you can lift it off and set it on the towel. There's 2 adjustable tine rows in the back of the rack. There's 6 holders. They're all changed out the same way. To get the tine row holder off, we're going to press on the longer side of the tine row holder and get the clip to release. Once you have it released, we're going to have to kind of lift up on it a little bit and turn it at an angle so the front tab comes off. And then we can lift it off the tine row. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the rack. Here's the old tine row holder next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new tine row holder in, we're just going to lower it down onto the tine. And then at the same angle that we took the old one off at, we're going to hook the front locking tab underneath. Then we can lower the tine row holder down over the tine row. And then we have to flex the back holder under the bar. Once you have it snapped in place, we can put the dish rack back in the dishwasher. To put the dish rack back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back into place. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, take the towel off, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.